When I graduated from high school in 2009, I was going to a community college in Washington, and I wasn't supported. I didn't even know about TRIO.
Made me really want to apply is that I know I had struggles through my high school education time, and I just wanted to make sure that if I needed that help, it was there for me.
A previous advisor had mentioned TRIO because I had asked about potential tutoring, and I was interested in finding resources for someone to help me. They mentioned TRIO, and I thought, okay, well, I'll check it out. And there was a multitude of things that they offered, even beyond tutoring.
I would recommend TRIO to other students, especially students that haven't been in school for a while, like a non-traditional student like myself. I'm 30 years old with 4 small kids, and I was just not prepared for everything college had to offer, and TRIO kind of simplified it down for me and gave me a roadmap to success.
TRIO genuinely cares about all of their students, and I think any student coming into SWOCC should consider TRIO.
You need a lot of support. Whether you're a new student or a returning student, you need a lot of support, and TRIO gives you support after support after support of so many different things, from textbooks to tutoring to financial assistance to grant assistance. All of that stuff is super important for your success, especially if you struggle financially, which was a big area for me.
I like having a place that I can just have a quiet place to go to study.
Basically, it's given me a secure plan to actually know what I'm in college for. They offer advising, mentoring, tutoring, and even workshops, and those all help you learn about different things that are necessary.
I'm a big question asker, so being able to ask a simple or complex question at any moment and get an almost immediate response is priceless.
So TRIO has been like a little community for me. Not only that, but they've helped me with financial resources, such as borrowing books from the lending library, scholarship paperwork, financial aid, guidance.
You'll be surrounded by a bunch of people who understand what you're going through.
They take a lot of stress off of your shoulders. Especially in college, you have a lot of stress going on because it's like the first time, it's pretty big. And they care about you here, and they just want the best for you.
If you're struggling with time management, organization, just wanting to know if the classes you're taking are actually getting you to where you want to go.
It's definitely helped me make me feel like, I'm not the only messed up one out there in the world, that there are plenty of me, and, I can make it and don't have to struggle through it.
One thing about TRIO is TRIO makes the chaos of transitioning to a 4-year university make sense and less confusing, and getting helped with that is it's essential and priceless as well.
It's a free service. They have everything you need to be successful here. You have somebody most of the time one-on-one to communicate with you, to help you if you have a question. Everybody is very kind. There's so many different things that are offered through TRIO that you would be really at a disadvantage not to take the time to apply and check it out and utilize the services that are available to you as a student. This program was and is vital to my college success. I truly don't believe that I would have had the opportunities and the help that I have received from TRIO if I hadn't been a part of TRIO. Students that are part of this program will end up being more successful in the end.
We work with all kinds of students in the TRIO program, from students who are coming directly out of high school to students returning after raising a family and everything in between. We kind of just meet students where they're at and provide them the services that they need to meet their goals. I feel like we work really hard to help students develop as students, but also as a person, to sort of be more self-aware. We do a lot of advocating for students who kind of run into challenges. I think TRIO works because we take a holistic approach to student services. We look at all of the students' barriers and challenges and work to overcome them one at a time. And, you know, we really care about our students here, and I think the students can feel it.
My advice for any student is the resources are there. You just have to find them.
It is possible. It feels impossible. It is possible, but there's resources available. People will help you. You just have to be proactive. I would say, you know, just one step at a time. Don't be afraid. Use your resources, and you can do it.
I believe if other students can do it, you can do it. You have value. You have the capability to do anything you want to do.
You don't know unless you try. And honestly, I was scared, but it was a lot more manageable than I thought, especially having an advisor that has your back.
Just join TRIO. TRIO, they'll help you make college less stressful and make it more successful for you.
Just do it. I know you don't feel like you can do it right now, but once you get into it and realize that you have all the support that you need and even more than what you need, it makes it so much easier to do your dreams and go after them.